let's quickly make this SpinUp spinner and export it as a real iOS activity indicator. Okay, so this is actually a really simple design. All we really need is 3 rings, and we're going to animate each ring independently. We're going to make it look like a single ring, but really, in reality, it's 3. And all we're doing is we're playing with the stroke start and the stroke end. So here we are setting up the first frame. And now we're starting to play with the animations of how it moves, or how that stroke moves across each one of the rings. We make them into a group, and we rotate them into position so that the end of the animation matches up with the beginning of the animation. And then we just refine it, make it feel good, feel smooth. And when we're happy with that, export some code. Launch it in the simulator, and there you go. There's your spinner. Ready to ship.